Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a undecorate with me, deep clean and redecorate. I hope that you get loads of inspiration and motivation from this video. We're starting off with music. To set the mood, I picked up the Best of Motown record from Target in their Black History Month section for the month of February. They have a bunch of records by Black artists, and they have this Motown records collection as well, and it is fantastic. I recommend picking it up. If you have a record player, you won't regret it. So we're starting by cleaning the kitchen first. I had a lot of dishes I needed put away and just clutter. It had been one of those days where nobody was actually in the kitchen. We were just kind of passing by and putting stuff on the counters and getting to it later. And so we had to clean that up first, and then we had to put the dishes away, and then we can start cleaning. So there's a lot of, we have to do this first in order to actually get to the bare bones, but it was worth it because my kitchen is now super clean and ready for spring. I know that it's so weird to actually think about that spring is right around the corner. For me, it's a little bit scary and exciting just because spring is when baby boy is due. So hearing, okay, we're decorating for spring or getting ready for the spring or starting to think about flowers and plants, it's like, oh my gosh, the baby will be here before we know it. And I'm so excited. I'm a little bit nervous, as I think most parents would be with, going from one kiddo to two, or just bringing home a new baby in general. But the excitement and joy overshadows the nerves 5,000%. I just want to make sure that we, get our house ready for him and get everything ready to go. So we're starting in the kitchen with undecorating all of our Christmas stuff, putting that away, and getting this room ready for spring, and then we'll move on to the rest of the house. I think that this room had the most Christmas decor that my house had. It's either this or the family room, but I wanted to tackle the biggest room first, as far as the most amount of Christmas decor. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and get inspiration and motivation from it. Let me know where you're watching from in the comment section below. I love connecting with you guys, and let's keep on cleaning. Everything is taken down. My kitchen looks very empty and plain. Sophia's doing her schoolwork over there. So, Yep, she's doing her schoolwork. So I'm going to go ahead and, while there's no decor, I'm going to start at the top and wipe the cabinets down, and then wipe the bottom ones down as well. Just while I've got a clean kitchen, or an empty kitchen, I might as well clean these cabinets real quick. If you feel the things I do, I might need some help if you let me go, 'cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm standing a little high on you. Think that we need a guiding light. Right now we're running. So this is going to take me just a minute to do these lower cabinets. I didn't realize how dirty they actually are. So Soph brought her workbook over here, and she's going to be working next to me while I am scrubbing these lower cabinets.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. The fuck's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. For I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done. I'm a drink at this place. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Ooh. Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? If I had an option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, fuck it, I'm made this way. But why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. For I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done in my drink at this.
Okay, the kitchen is now clean. As you can see, the sun is starting to set because it took me a little bit. But all of the countertops are clean, the cabinets are clean, the tops and bottoms. So now we're ready to bring in some decor. Well, I went to Target, obviously, and they're already bringing out their spring lines with the Threshold line from Studio McGee and Magnolia Hearth and Hand. And I picked up just a couple of things to kind of bring spring into the kitchen and go from Christmas to a new year and bright and airy decor. This is just a picture from the Threshold line. This is not from Studio McGee. I just got this in the, like, you know, where all of the pictures and bowls and things are at. I just thought it was really cute. Kind of has that vintage feel to it. This was from the Hearth and Hand line. I love this. It's very just simple with blue in it because I'm gonna go with bringing in little touches of blue here and there. And then a couple of just greenery pieces from the Hearth and Hand. All of these, no, this one is, I think this one I picked up in the Studio McGee area. And then that's Hearth and Hand as well. They have, the one that I really love that has this just springy smell to it is the grapefruit basil. It just smells really clean. So I picked up 2 of those for the kitchen. And then this other little pot from the Threshold. This was in the Studio McGee line. Now, the candles, though I love these, my still go-to candle, if you've watched for a while, you'll know, are my sand and fog candles. I can find them at Home Goods, TJ Maxx, and Marshall's. These candles by far are the best candle to burn. They have just, they throw a lot of scent, and that just means that it has like a big bubble that it can put that scent all the way out. You don't need a lot of the candles to make the whole area smell good. So they are by far my favorite. So I did go to TJ Maxx and I picked up Seal Beach is this one. And it just has this really clean, it has a little bit of a masculine smell to it, but it's just really good. And then the one that I have burning right here is Mango Tangerine, and that's just kind of got a little bit of like a fruit mango to it, but it's more just a bright candle, a bright smelling candle. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this stuff up. I also picked up some hand towels from the Hearth and Hand. They are just blue and white, and I figured those would be really cute. Now, the other thing that I found at TJ Maxx, or Home Goods, I couldn't live without, were these little salt and pepper shakers. They're little elephants. I mean, come on, that's so cute. Like, I couldn't resist, so I had to pick those up, and I'll figure out where to put those. And then I'll probably incorporate this vase that I have just laying around, also from the Magnolia Home line, but this was from last year, so I don't know if this is still available or not. So let's go ahead and get this stuff to its proper place.
What if the world What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. You fill my head with roses. I can't help.
So I put on my Pokemon to sleep. So now I can have peace and quiet at last. So Mommy's downstairs. So if you want to hit the subscribe button, hit the subscribe button down below. And we'll see you next time. Bye.
I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure. No, not like yours. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you, 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 I'm dreaming of you. What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars.